Welcome you all for Value for Money channel. In today's video, let's understand how to calculate sensitivity analysis using Excel sheet. So in order to calculate that, so we here in today's topic is we are take an illustrative example of how EMI value will change with subject to change in number of years and annual interest rate. In our previous videos, we already discussed how to calculate EMI value. So once again, I will explain how to calculate EMI value for 6 lakh rupees loan amount for interest rate of 12 percentage annual interest rate for a period of, right, say 3 years, right? So how do we calculate EMI? So equal to monthly interest rate change into yearly interest rate into monthly interest rate equal to divided by 12. So just convert number of years into number of months, star 12, right? So calculate equal to minus PMT, right? Just double click. Interest rate 1 percentage, number of period 36 months, present value 6 lakh rupees. So future value 0 at the end of the period. We have assumed end of the period. So 19,928.59 rupees is the EMI value. So what is the sensitivity analysis is all about? Suppose if I keep on changing 12% into 13 percentage, right? We'll see. So how EMI will change. Suppose 3 years into 2 years, so the EMI will change. So every time I have to change the value of the respective cell in order to understand. So what is the respective change of EMI value. So instead of doing individual values, we can prepare sensitivity table itself with large number of, right, large number of interest rates and as well as number of years. So what I do is I will take here variations of 2 years, right? Say percentage. I will take annual interest rate. I will give it an x-axis value. Say from 10 percentage, 10 percentage, right? I will change the interest rate from 10 percentage to 19 percentage. Similarly, I will change number of years, right? Number of years, 2 years to say 11 years. So just I wanted to know for 2 years period with 10 percentage of annual interest rate. So how much is the EMI value? So how to calculate that? So what you do is select entire you prepare the table like this. The very first cell, see, please understand one thing. I have given x-axis here, annual interest rate as input. I have given here y-axis input as a number of years. So now, so go to here, equal to the very first cell of the table, right? So just go to equal to very first cell. Which one to be changed here? EMI value. Just enter EMI value, select the entire table, right? Go to data. So go to what if analysis, right? So go to data table here. So here it's asking two inputs. One is row input cell and column input cell. So row input cell we have taken as an annual interest rate. Please select this cell. So column input cell we have taken as a number of years. Please give this cell. Click OK. It clearly says that. So the sensitivity table has ready. Sensitivity table is ready. So what does it mean actually? Suppose for 6 years, see, how do you verify the sensitivity table is correct? We already done the calculation for 2 years and 13 percentage. See here, for 2 years and 13 percentage, right? The value is showing it throwing how much? 28,525. Here also 28,525 we already calculated. Suppose what is this cell actual meaning? So for 15 percentage annual interest rate for 6 year period of time, the EMI value is 12,687. Similarly for, so say for 9 years period of time, if you are opting for a loan of 9 years with 18 percentage interest rate, the EMI value will come this much amount. So what is the overall idea about sensitivity analysis all about? So how EMI value will change with subject to change in number of years changes with respect to changes with the annual interest rate. So this is known as sensitivity table. So you can take the sensitivity table, go to your home, right, and you can prepare conditional formatting, say less than say 10,000 rupees EMI. So you can understand, so what are the EMI values and what is the respective number of years and respective interest rate. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to watch more videos. Thank you very much.